Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another short episode of Be Energized. I am in Lordstown, Ohio, doing my second checkup at the GM Ultium Battery plant, and just kind of checking on the progress of the plant so far. And I gotta admit, it's actually kind of cool to see how far they've come in just a few short weeks. Today's August 22nd, and the last time I was here was August 3rd, so it's been about 3 weeks. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the progress. So the last time I was here was about 3 weeks ago, like I mentioned, and there was really only the main portion of the building, my giant finger right there, that was being built. So now you can see that there is an extension of that. I'm sorry if it's pretty windy, but you can see that there's plenty of construction equipment working and putting this plant together. It looks like that they kind of dug up some more space over there. Just a lot of progress. I don't know if you guys can see the pipes over that way. I'll try to zoom in. But it definitely seems like they're making some good progress on this plant so far. As I mentioned, I'm going to try to come here a few weeks at a time, maybe once a month, just to check on the progress of this battery plant. Obviously, you know that Cadillac just unveiled their fully electric concept, which is called the Lyriq, and it's going to be utilizing these Ultium batteries. I'm really sorry if it's too windy for you guys to hear me, but these batteries are going to be made right at this plant here in Lordstown, Ohio. So pretty cool to see the progress. So I had to get back in the car. It's about 90 degrees here, and it's a hot one, but I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. There's going to be a lot more videos coming out, I promise. I'm just taking a while to edit some of them. I still have my my drive home up from Summit Point, West Virginia to post, my drive down to Bowling Green, Kentucky to post, and a few other fun ones. I know this is a short video, but if you guys like this video, definitely subscribe, especially if you're interested in General Motors' new battery factory. I know I'm excited to have it here in Ohio, in which they're actually calling it Voltage Valley, which is kind of cool. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll talk with you soon. Take care. And one other thing, if you're wondering what car I'm in right now, it is not the Chevy Bolt that we own. It is our Volkswagen Jetta. And fun fact, it's actually kind of ironic that I'm here looking at the General Motors battery plant, is because the Bolt that we have has been in the shop for about 2 weeks now. So, yeah, it's kind of ironic. Anyways, you know, that video is going to be coming up soon. My 1-year ownership review is going to be coming up soon. So there's going to be some updates on there. But definitely check my Twitter if you want to check out some things that are happening with that car. It's not a fun time. But meanwhile, I get to drive this gas-powered car. Anyways, see you guys. Make every single day electrifying. Bye.